Portland, which is about 5 degrees warmer than we were at 5 o'clock this evening.
Basically the entire afternoon we spent in the mid-30s. So here we are, finally up to 40 degrees. That means the melt can really get on now, right?
We should have a party or something,
We
right?
really should.
Yeah.
It's been days and days and days of stuck at freezing and below freezing temperatures, and of course, we had all that snow on the ground, making it so tough to get around. Well, it's finally starting to melt. Now, I still think there may be a few areas, especially side roads, because there's so much of it and it's been so slow to melt, that may cause some iciness in the morning. So you're going to want to have to watch out for that, and also just the possibility for more ponding on the roads and that type of urban flooding as we still continue to get a little more rain. 40 degrees out there right now, east winds coming in, making it feel like it's only 33. Vancouver has finally gone up too. Same thing here. Temperatures in the mid-30s all afternoon long, and finally we go up to 43. Around the metro, temperatures in the low 40s in West Lynn, 45 in Hillsborough, Forest Grove at 44. We've warmed things up nicely there. Happy Valley 43, Gresham up to 43, Camas too. Washougal not coming in, but we are seeing temperatures come up above freezing out that way. In fact, we're right at the freezing mark in Hood River. Meanwhile, temperatures in the mountains are dropping. They had actually gone up because we'd gotten a little bit of rain from that warmer system earlier in the week. Well, now we're back to snow, and so that's Mount Hood Meadows, and the snow continues to come down, and we'll see more of it overnight tonight, and we're going to have chances to pick up more snow up at the ski resorts all the way into the weekend as the weather stays pretty unsettled for us. So get used to the rain. We're going to be seeing it quite a bit here. Showers continue to move from the south and west back towards McMinnville and Forest Grove. Hillsborough seeing some of that. Pretty clear in Portland at this point, but this is going to move in our direction. And then, of course, as you head towards Hood River, back through the gorge along I-84 there, we're still seeing sleet mixing in with freezing rain. So roads there continue to be on the icy side. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast for Thursday. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up and we'll have a few scattered showers around. The one thing to remember about tomorrow, we'll have showers, we'll have dry time, but when those showers come, there's going to be that possibility for downpours, so very heavy rain. So I think we'll see a little more dry time tomorrow, but when the rain comes, it is going to be heavier than what we saw today. Cascades will continue to pick it up too. Here's a look at future radar for the rest of the night, and you can see things pretty quiet until 4 a.m. And then after that, here comes that possibility for those heavy downpours that could happen right during your morning commute. And until later in the morning, we could even see some thunder for coastal areas. So tune in and check in with Sally and Carly in the morning, because we may be dealing with downpours in the morning that could affect the morning commute on top of some of the lingering ice on the roads. Tomorrow morning starts with those showers. We'll have some late morning showers, and then going into the afternoon, a few scattered showers will pop up, but I think we find some dry time. For the Cascades, we'll be getting more snow tomorrow. Overnight tomorrow night, a little lull in the action, and then first thing in the morning on Friday, here comes that next wave of moisture to bring in more rain and mountain snow, and this one could bring in a decent amount of mountain snow for us. We'll stay just plain old rain here in the Portland metro area, but we may be looking at a mix across the gorge. We'll have to keep a close eye on that. So your forecast for the coast, showers at times, thunder will be possible early, temperatures in the low 50s. As you head into the valley, temperatures here in the upper 40s and low 50s tomorrow. Much milder day temperature-wise. We're at 40 degrees right now. Think about where we can be tomorrow afternoon when the sun comes out a little bit. Central and eastern Oregon in the 40s, and then for the Cascades, 30s with scattered snow showers. The snow level right around 3,500 feet, and your 7-day forecast showing it wet at times as we head into the weekend. Pretty unsettled. We have a few systems to get through to keep us wet at times, but then it stays a little drier going into next week.
You know, it was a week ago tonight that all that snow started falling, and you said that night, get set. This stuff is going to be around for a while. And here we are a week later, and it's finally starting to melt away.
Yeah, I think tomorrow afternoon we're all going to be in the clear, with the exception of the gorge, but everybody else in the clear by tomorrow afternoon.
Certainly a storm we will all remember, though.